Do you know that you already know Flox? Let me show you. How do you create a Git repository? It's Git init. How do you create a Node.js project? It's npm init. A Rust project? Cargo init. Same commands, same behavior. Now, how do you think you create a Flox environment? Flox init. Same works for other commands. How do you think you search for a Flox package? Flox search. Same commands, same behavior, everything you're familiar with. And that's why you already know Flox. But there's more. npm, cargo, these are language-specific package managers. They install Node packages and they install cargo packages. But Flox works differently. Flox works across language ecosystems. You can just install any language toolset in your Flox environment. And yes, there's more. Flox will not pollute your global environment, your machine, your laptop. You won't need to reinstall your machine just because you installed something to play around. Flox works per environment. Once you're done working on a certain project, you simply exit and you activate a new one. Simple. You think there's more? Please let me know. Let me know how you use it so we can make it better.